Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by tuning posture and pen angle so the cursive slant is consistent. This controls flow and legibility. Use a medium nib or round-tipped pen. You want smooth ink flow without blots. Practice 5 looping drills and 5 connector strokes to sync wrist and fingers. Once done, mark X height and ascender/descender lines on the page so you know how tall each letter in library should be. This upfront rhythm prevents uneven letters later. Now you form letters in sequence, focusing on how each connects. Start with L, a gentle upward entry, tall ascender, and a small loop. Move directly into I using a short connector. For B, make a full bowl reaching the X height, then flow into R with a light return stroke, into it with a counter that mirrors the B, then R again, ending in Y with a descending tail. Make sure connectors are uniform. That consistent linking is what makes the word look cohesive. Finish by refining rhythm and resolving issues so the word reads smoothly. You should trace the completed word slowly, then write it freehand 3 times at comfortable pace, observing spacing and slant. If letters crowd, widen connectors slightly and reduce downward pressure. If tails break, increase pen angle or slow the stroke. One key troubleshooting tip: if ink blobs or skips occur, change paper or pen and clean the nib. Consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.